Dear students, in this video we are going to study about the roots. Students, we know that the plant is divided into two parts mainly, that is the shoot and the root. The part of the plant that is present inside the soil, that is called the root, and the part of the plant that present above the soil, that is known as the shoot. We can say that the root system and the shoot system. The root is the important part of plant that is present inside the soil. There are mainly two types of roots. According to their structure, the roots are divided into two categories. They are the taproot and fibrous root. Firstly, we are going to study about the taproot. Students, in this picture you are seeing the taproot, a main root that arises just below the stem, that is seen below the stem, that is known as the taproot, the main root, and that can be also known as the primary taproot. And again, further small roots arise from the taproot. They are called secondary taproots. From the secondary taproot, there are even smaller minute branches arise. They are called tertiary roots. And the tip of the tertiary roots, there are the root hairs and the root cap is also present. Then students, that is the taproot in which the main root is there and they are branched into various branches, and these branches also give rise to further small branches. Such a root system is called the taproot system. Now students, this is also an example of the taproot. We can see taproots in the rubber plant, in the tulsi plant, in the mango tree, in the neem tree. All these plants we can see in the mustard plant. So these roots, they are the taproots having a big main root and many side roots, branched roots arising from the main root. Now students, the second type of roots, they are the fibrous roots. These roots are fiber-like. The fibrous roots, they are similar in size and structure. The monocots, the monocot plants are possessing the fibrous roots. The monocots such as the paddy plant, wheat plant, maize plant, grasses, bamboo and arecanut, coconut, palm trees all possess the fibrous roots. Here in the picture you can see the fibrous roots are similar in size and similar in structure. There is no main root, a thick big main root is absent in the fibrous root system. Here children, this is the roots of a grass in which you can see similar sized roots and some smaller branches you can see. These are looking like fibers, that's why the name fibrous roots. Now students, we are going to study about the functions of roots. The functions of roots. The important function of roots that fixes the plant firmly in the soil. The roots fixes the plant firmly in the soil. The water that is present in the plant body, that is absorbed by the roots, and the water present in the plant that is absorbed by the roots, that column of water supports the plant. That column of water supports the plant, gives support to the plant. And the roots spread out in the ground and fixes the plant firmly in the soil so that the plants can resist the force of wind, and if we apply force to uproot a plant also, it will be very difficult because of its roots. Then students, the second function, that is the roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. The plants need water and minerals for the necessary function of photosynthesis. So during photosynthesis, food is prepared in the leaves using carbon dioxide, water and minerals in presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. So for this process, the water and minerals present in the soil wanted to reach in the leaves, and this water and minerals are supplied to the leaves by the roots. They absorb nutrients and water from the soil and give it to the leaves through the stem. The stem carries the water to leaves. Then students, that is the second function of the roots. And another one is that the roots spread on the ground and it acts as a covering above the soil, and the roots hold the soil particles together and prevent soil erosion. When the winds blow and when there is running water or the rain, the soil will not be flown away or blown away from a region where there are plants, because the roots of plants hold the soil particles together and prevent soil erosion. So students, in this video we studied about the two types of roots. They are the tap roots and fibrous roots. We studied the tap roots. They have a main root, that the primary tap root is there. It is divided into secondary tap root and they further divides into the tertiary roots, and the tertiary roots give rise to root hairs and the root caps. Then the second type of roots are the fibrous roots. They are fiber-like. We understood that the monocots having the fibrous root system, they are similar in size. Most roots are similar in size and structure. And we must understand that the dicot plants possess the taproot system. I told you about the monocots possess the fibrous root system and the dicots possess the taproot system. Then students, we studied about the function of the roots. Roots fixes the plant firmly in the soil. The roots absorb water and minerals from the soil, and the roots prevent the soil from being blown away or flown away, and it is the roots, they bind the soil particles together. So students, I hope you understood. Thank you.